Is it possible to set up monitoring of load current and at the same time monitor for detection of contact failures? Note: this parameter setting is only available for N535 switching actuator with load check. The additional monitoring of the load current allows for identifying changes in the load characteristic per channel. With this function, building installations are monitored efficiently and predictively maintained by presenting failure of an operating resource, outage of a local circuit, or a contact failure. If the parameter Load Current Monitoring is enabled, then a new main menu, Load Current Monitoring, appears on the left-hand side. First, the unit of the current measure is determined either as milliamperes or as amperes. The scaling factor is a correction factor for the measured current. It can be used to correct incorrect measurements. When entering the correction factor, pay attention to the scaling factor. An offset value can only be entered in milliamperes as a positive or negative value to compensate the measured load current value. If applicable, ensure current conversion of milliamperes to amperes. Enabling measurement of the load current enables the known settings for status information and the associated configuration of the sending characteristics. Let's look at the parameters for load current monitoring itself. The following four options are available: exceedance of load check limit value, shortfall of load check limit value, both options, or none of the above. That means no threshold monitoring. If none is selected, then the status for contact failure, if used, remains to be configured as known. If exceedance of load check limit value, shortfall of load check limit value, or both are selected, then these configuration options are available. Load current normal value in milliamperes. The normal value corresponds to the expected target current value for threshold monitoring at the output in milliamperes. A dead time is entered that can be set to 1/10 of a second. For both threshold monitoring options, a corrective offset in milliamperes, a hysteresis in percent, and corresponding status information is available. Additionally, an object for reading of the nominal value of the measured current value can be enabled and the corresponding sending conditions can be configured.